Some breaking news coming in at this moment. Sources are telling India Today that Research and Analysis Wing, or the RNAW, Joint Director Pankaj Saxena and DIG of RNAW Rahul Srivastav, along with few other officials from the Intelligence Bureau, will be reaching the CBI headquarters any time now to meet Chhota Rajan. Sources are also telling India Today that Chhota Rajan is suffering from kidney and liver issues and will surely be taken to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences for dialysis any time today. Rajan was regularly undergoing dialysis when he was in Australia. So that's the bit of information that we are getting on Chhota Rajan. It is likely that he will be taken to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. However, keeping his security in mind, all arrangements are being made inside the CBI headquarters as well. Whether it's a doctor on call or even from what we are hearing, because it's a prerequisite in these cases to have the person produced in front of a magistrate, there is a very high possibility that the magistrate could also come to the CBI headquarters. However, officially, this information has not been confirmed. Now, unprecedented arrangements have been put in place for Chhota Rajan, the Don who was deported to India after his arrest in Bali. A medical team has been called to the CBI headquarters itself for a medical examination of the arrested Don. And information we just told you. Rajan is believed to be a kidney patient and reportedly needs dialysis on a weekly basis in what is another unprecedented move, which we told you again. A magistrate is expected to be called in to the CBI headquarters itself. All these special arrangements are being made in view of the security threat to Chhota Rajan. Now, after much delay, one of India's most wanted underworld gangster, Chhota Rajan, finally arrived in Delhi this morning. The underworld Don was brought back on a special flight from Bali along with a team of CBI sleuths and taken to the agency headquarters in the capital. As our reporters tell us, the early Friday morning was nothing but sheer drama.
It was one of the biggest manhunts ever by the Indian security establishment. The search for an underworld Don next to only that of Dawood Ibrahim. The wait finally over when Chhota Rajan boarded a special CBI aircraft for Delhi. Reporters and TV crews burnt the midnight oil outside the gates of Palam Technical Area all night. Waiting for the perfect shot of the elusive underworld Don. It was calm till 5:45 in the morning. When the first white gypsy emerged, it was soon followed by an ambassador with blacked out windows. All indications that Chhota Rajan was inside that car.
He will be first produced in front of a magistrate, and what I'm given to understand is that first the entire he will be handed over to the CBI, where the CBI will be questioning him throughout the day. It will be an action-packed day for not only Chhota Rajan but also the intelligence agencies who are considering it as a major catch.
What followed was a fast and furious chase through the roads of Delhi. The early morning traffic was light. Even frantic gesturing by police escort could not deter the media from closing in on the car purportedly carrying Chhota Rajan.
Very good.
The first stop was a short one at the special cell office in Lodhi Road. 10 minutes later, the convoy was on the move again, this time headed for the adjacent CBI headquarters, where Rajan is likely to be housed and interrogated.
From the minute he boarded that special Government of India plane accompanied by officials of the CBI as well as the MEA, the entire operation to bring fugitive Chhota Rajan to Delhi, to the first floor of that building there, the CBI headquarters, the entire operation was shrouded in secrecy. In fact, his arrival in Delhi was also as dramatic as perhaps the last 8 to 10 days that he spent in Bali. Several convoys, similar looking convoys was spotted at different locations, obviously all of it in a bid to ensure total secrecy and total protection. With camera person Wahid Beg in New Delhi, Jugal Purohit reporting for India Today.
Okay, and Minister of State for Home Kiran Rijiju is now speaking. Let's cut across live.
Just stop for a second. The security reason there's a serious threat perception around Chota Rajan security, sir.
Necessary things will be done, but I cannot comment on the thing process, investigation and everything is going on. So making things public about the procedure and the system will not be wise.
So what is the future course of action now that all the cases have been transferred to the CBI and Chota Rajan is in Delhi
It's
now?
better, it will be convenient.
He won't be moved to Mumbai, sir?
I can't say about that. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
All right, so that was Minister of State for Home Kiran Rijiju, who's saying that he will not be able to divulge information, and rightly so, about what the agencies are planning to do next as far as taking Chota Rajan to Mumbai. But it now appears, as the information that we are getting from our correspondents both in Delhi and Mumbai, that none of the options are off the table. They're all on the table as far as Chota Rajan is concerned. Whether taking him to Mumbai is concerned, making him stay in any place here in the national capital is concerned, the CBI has taken over the investigation. At present, he's inside the CBI headquarters. Now, it's not only the security personnel put in place to protect the notorious Don. Information coming in that the CBI and the Delhi police made extensive use of dummy convoys and decoys to fool potential attackers and the media during Chota Rajan's arrival. While the agencies will not confirm it, sources have told India Today that at least 3 decoys and dummy convoys were used early this morning. In fact, there are some of those who say that the ambassador car, which you see on your screen right now, being followed so diligently by the media, could have been a decoy as well. Let's now listen in to what Chota Rajan told the media when he was in Bali.
क्या आपने सरेंडर किया? नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं इंडिया जाऊंगा। इंडिया जाओगे आप? कहा था कि आपको जिम्बाब्वे जाना है। आपको डर है? दाऊद से डर है? ये बताइए हमको। दाऊद से डर है? कहेंगे दाऊद के बारे में? मैं उसके साथ लड़ते रहा हूँ और लड़ते रहूंगा जिंदगी भर। मुंबई में डर है राजन? मुंबई में डर है आपको? मुंबई में कुछ लोग पुलिस दाऊद के साथ मिलकर काम। दाऊद से मिले हुए पुलिस वाले? मुंबई पुलिस वाले? मुंबई पुलिस वाले? कुछ पुलिस वाले। मैं धरती माँ पे जा रहा हूँ, धरती माँ के पास जा रहा हूँ, जहाँ मेरा जन्म हुआ वहाँ मैं जा रहा हूँ।
And the India Today group is perhaps the only network which has managed a comprehensive interview with the Don, Chota Rajan, way back in 2004. Let's play out the excerpts of that interview.
आप पर 14 तारीख की रात को एक बहुत प्राणघातक हमला हुआ। आपको क्या लगता है ये हमला आप पे किसने करवाया और किस कारण से करवाया?
ये हमला मुझ पर दाऊद इब्राहिम ने किया है और इसलिए किया है कि मैं उसके अगेंस्ट हूँ। वैसे सभी लोग जानते हैं, सारी दुनिया जानती है कि जब से ब्लास्ट हुआ हम लोग दोनों अलग अलग हुए हैं।
क्या कारण था? एक ज़माने में आपकी और दाऊद की बहुत दोस्ती थी, दोनों साथ साथ भी काम करते थे, लेकिन ऐसा कौन सा मुद्दा आ गया जिसके कारण आप दोनों अलग अलग?
यही मुद्दा था कि इन्होंने दुश्मन मुल्क से, पाकिस्तान से हाथ मिलाकर हमारे देश से गद्दारी कर कर हमारे देश पे तबाही मचाई, इस तरह के ब्लास्ट करवाए, इसलिए मैं उनसे अगेंस्ट हुआ।
उसके बाद क्या हुआ आप दोनों के संबंधों में? खासकर आप अलग हुए, वो अलग हुए, तो ऐसी क्या बात हुई? जैसे लोग आपके बारे में कहते हैं कि आप भारतीय हितों के हिसाब से काम करते हैं, तो ऐसे कौन से इंसिडेंट हुए जिनको आप गिना सकते हैं?
जी, जैसे मैं मिसाल के तौर पर मिर्ज़ा बेग है, मिसाल के तौर पर MK मस्जिद खान, क्या नाम उसका था, 3-4 लोग ब्लास्ट वाले मारे गए थे
और वो आपने उनका
मेरे आदेश पे।
क्यों आप उनको सबक सिखाना चाहते थे जो ब्लास्ट से जुड़े हुए लोग?
बिल्कुल, हमारे देश में इस तरह की गद्दारी करेंगे, ऐसे इनोसेंट लोगों को मारेंगे तो कोई तो होना चाहिए उनको सबक।
क्या आपको भरोसा नहीं था कि हिंदुस्तान का कानून इतना सशक्त है कि वो उनको
बिल्कुल
पकड़
भरोसा
लेगा?
नहीं है, था भी नहीं, अब नहीं है कि उनको उस तरह का न्याय मिलेगा जिस तरह मिलना चाहिए। आज 93 से 10 साल हुए, मेरे ख्याल से कितने साल हुए? 7 साल हुए। आज तक बस चल रहा है। कई लोग जामीन पर आ गए, कई लोगों को पासपोर्ट इशू कर दिए।
तो आपको क्या लगता है ये जो हालात हैं भारत में, आपको लगता है कि कुछ लोग वाकई दाऊद से मिले हुए हैं और भारत के हितों के खिलाफ काम कर रहे हैं इंडिया के अंदर है क्या?
बिल्कुल, इंडिया के अंदर इस तरह के लोग हैं, काफ़ी लोग हैं, और इसीलिए मैं भारत भी जाना नहीं चाहता हूँ।
जो एक बात है वो ऐसी कही जा रही है कि आप हिंदू डॉन हैं और दाऊद इब्राहिम मुस्लिम डॉन हैं और हिंदुओं के हितों के लिए आप काम करते हैं और मुस्लिम हितों के लिए वो काम करते हैं।
वेरी रॉन्ग, बिल्कुल गलत है ये बात, क्योंकि हिंदू और मुस्लिम का कोई सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता है। ये राइट्स, क्योंकि मुस्लिम्स, मेरे ग्रुप में भी मुस्लिम्स 20-25% मुस्लिम्स हैं और वो लोग भी उनके अगेंस्ट लड़ते हैं। और ऐसे भी नहीं है कि हमने हिंदू को नहीं सबक सिखाई है। जो एडिशनल वो जो थापा थे, मिसाल के तौर पर ये हिंदू थे, उन पर भी हमला हुआ था।
लेकिन
मतलब हिंदू या मुस्लिम्स का यहाँ सवाल नहीं आता है, यहाँ सवाल आता है कि हमारे देश से जो गद्दारी करेगा उसे हम सबक सिखाएंगे।
Let's now listen in once again to what the Minister of State for Home, Kiran Rijiju, had to say.
So what details can you share about Chota Rajan?
Is it a major breakthrough for India, sir?
I think we should not discuss much about the procedure because he's already here.
Right.
And there's a standard procedure to, go ahead with the case. So I don't think I should be making a comment or disclosing about the procedures.
And he was not taken to Bombay, but to Delhi.
No, because the case has been transferred to CBI.
Right.
So everything will be, taken over.
What was the reason behind transferring the case to the CBI?
That's better, no? Because it's one agency handling the issue will always help the case, cracking anything if need be. So it's good, and I don't think that we should be making, all kind of comments and disclosing about the procedures and the move forward steps.
Fears about going to Bombay because he said some cops had links with Dawood Ibrahim. Were they also?
No, that's what I said, that I don't want to comment on all this matter because these are the systematic issues.
Right.
And here, if ministers started, disclosing about the steps to be taken next, I don't think it's a wise thing.
So where will he be kept? So where will he be kept?
नहीं देखिए, मैं ये कहना चाह रहा था कि हम लोगों को जो केस हाथ में है, जो इंसान को यहाँ पहुँचा के लेकर रख चुका है, उसके बारे में और क्या क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, उसके बारे में ज़्यादा विस्तार से चर्चा करना ये केस के लिए अच्छा नहीं है। और सारा केसेस जो है सीबीआई के हाथ में ट्रांसफ़र हो गया, तो उसमें हम लोग बयानबाजी उसको खुलासा करेंगे, क्या क्या करने जा रहा है ये सबको बताएंगे, तो वो केस में हैम्पर होगा, इसलिए उसको स्मूथली आगे चलने देना चाहिए। वो अलग विषय है।
So where will he be kept? Can you share some details? Because the Anda cell was being prepared in Arthur Road jail. We were told that earlier by Fadnavis.
The agencies will decide. We don't take a call on that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Well, that was the period that you